Hello from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. This is the weather hazards briefing for Thursday, October 7th. Pretty active weather here over the next few days. A couple of weather systems are expected to be pushing through the area. The first one's going to be pushing through today, tomorrow, and Saturday, so that's going to bring us some isolated to scattered thunderstorms. Might see a risk of severe weather this afternoon, and we'll show you that here in just a minute. That weather system is also going to bring us some moderate heavy rain through the end of the week and into the weekend. Also might see some high elevation snow. And our next weather system is on tap for Monday and Tuesday. Could bring us some cold temperatures early next week, as well as some snow in the lower elevations. Might see our first snowfall in the Snake Plain of the year. So going on, we'll take a look at the weather risk outlook, focusing on today and tomorrow. Mostly thunder in the forecast here for pretty much all of southeastern and central Idaho. Also looking at your severe potential for this afternoon is going to be isolated to the South Hills, southeastern highlands. That's going to include Rockland, Malta, Preston, Montpelier, maybe even into Pocatello and Burley, but should stay south of the Interstate 86 corridor. Otherwise, in the central mountains, you're looking at some snow in the mountains. Might see about an inch or two in the mountain passes here through today and tomorrow. Thunderstorms continue through Friday, as well as some snow in the mountains, and even seeing a potential for some heavy rain, both today and tomorrow, mainly in the southeastern highlands. Again, we clear out over the weekend. Looks like we don't have too much going on Saturday and Sunday, but then again on Monday, we got that potential for those cooler temperatures. Probably see at least a little bit of snow starting here on Monday across most of the region. So here's a look at the satellite. It is looking pretty active across much of the Great Basin, and we're seeing a lot of moisture moving in from the southwest, coming in out of Nevada. And that is going to produce some of those showers, some thunderstorms throughout the day today. So keep an eye out for that. Severe weather potential, once again, going to be centered mostly down over the southern portion of the state, possibly impacting Burley, Pocatello, and down here in Malad, Montpelier, Preston. All of those areas might see a risk of some severe weather. Once again, severe weather is going to be large hail, damaging winds. So if you do run into any of that today, let us know. We'd like to see that or see any pictures of that. All right, taking a look at our weather map for today. A little bit of a cold front just kind of lingering across the central mountains today, keeping things rather unsettled for much of the Great Basin here. So you head into tomorrow. The front does pass on through, but we're still seeing the effects of the upper level weather system over the region. So we're seeing some showers, thunderstorms again, and the mountain snow up in the central mountains here. Once we get into Saturday, we should start to see that clearing coming from the west during the morning, and that clearing should work its way into eastern Idaho throughout the rest of the day Saturday. Once again, Sunday looks like it's going to be a pretty quiet weather day. And here is a look at our precipitation expected through Saturday, and this is looking like a pretty robust weather system here, giving us about an inch and a half to about 2 inches of rain across the southeastern highlands, all the way up and towards Driggs, not in Driggs, but once we get into the higher elevations there, seeing maybe up to 2 inches. A little bit less once you get further to the north and west of that area, Pocatello, Idaho Falls, seeing about 1.2 to 1.3 inches. And this is a 3-day total, so that's not it's just going to be a 3-day total. Once you get further to the north and west, those amounts diminish pretty quickly. So for the rest of the week, during that same time frame, we're going to be seeing some snow accumulation. Once again, in the mountains, mainly the central mountains there, seeing maybe 1 to 2 inches up here in the mountain passes between Sun Valley and Stanley. But otherwise, things are looking pretty good here in the Snake Plain. And then once we head into the through the weekend, this is a look at our high temperatures, by the way. pretty warm today, in the 60s. Should see some cool downs occurring throughout the next couple of days. Monday and Tuesday look like they're going to be much cooler, with temperatures only getting in the 40s. So cooler weather is making its way here. Summer, as you may already have guessed, is over. So to summarize, our two weather systems that we're looking at are going to bring us scattered thunderstorms today, isolated to scattered thunderstorms, potential for severe weather, and also some moderate to locally heavy rain across the region. Next week, cooler weather is coming, and some snow might be coming to the valley location. So we'll be updating this again tomorrow. So if you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email. We can also be reached on social media. Thanks for watching.